Hello, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you how my kitchen cabinets look like. Those are the IKEA BODBYN, but anyway, I can't pronounce it. Might be dyslexic, I don't know. Yeah, so I've painted those ones in white, as you can see, and I've changed the handles as well. Well, actually, I haven't changed them, I spray painted them. And these are untouched, so this was the original color. It's a mess, apologize. We've just been cooking. And I'm planning to paint those bottom ones as well in black. So I'll show you the color brand that I've used, which is the same as this one. Ooh, let's see if I can hold that. Right, so this is the brand that I've used to paint the top ones. I've done 5 coats, which is insane, but I really wanted it to be very opaque so that you couldn't see the gray anymore. So that's why I kind of went nuts on like 5 coats. I think for the black, if I do the bottom one, I think it would just be a couple of coats, I imagine, because the difference of shade is not as strong as going into from gray to white. So yes, and I just wanted to make a video because I just had 100 subscribers on YouTube, which is pretty cool, knowing that I don't post very often. So this is for you guys. Thank you so much for following me. And you can see more about this project on my Instagram and soon on my blog.